back to my channel and my bathroom. I am getting ready for a shoot today. Currently it's 6:30 a.m. and I have to be at location during sunrise. So yeah, I'm just getting ready and thought of vlogging today to show you guys the behind the scene, like what goes around a shoot and a life of a content creator. So today I'll be shooting for an Indian boutique which is here in Atlanta area. And guess what? I have done the shoot last week, but I forgot the freaking belt which comes with the dress. So I have to do all the process all over again. So I am doing my 10 minutes makeup, which is super simple and really quick. Also have posted a video and I shared every single step in that. So yeah, definitely check it out. I will link the video for you guys. Alright guys, so I'm done with my makeup and it literally took me just 5 minutes. And for my hair, I'm not gonna do anything because hello, I'm getting late. So I'll just change my outfit and show you. It's really pretty outfit.
So I forgot to record the full outfit, but anyway, we drove to the location and it was such a beautiful day. And yes, it's getting chilly over here. And say hello to Yogi. He also joined us that day.
Okay guys, so we are at the location and we do not have to search for a location this time because I already did shoot last week, but I forgot the belt as I said. So yeah, we'll just continue shooting.
I remember like we clicked almost 350 pictures, and after clicking so many pictures we just finalized one picture for the boutique because every picture has some element missing, like somewhere belt was not visible, somewhere embroidery was not visible, somewhere fabric was flying in a weird ways. So yeah, we just finalized one pic and this was the pic. So after getting back from shoot, I changed my outfit and I decided to do yoga today, and I'm just following a video of yoga. I'm doing yoga with Adrian, and if you are someone looking for a simple yoga video, definitely check her out. She has so many amazing videos on her channel.
Also for breakfast today, I am making a smoothie bowl, which I have been making a lot lately and it's super simple to make, requires very few ingredients. First off, I will be adding this mixed berries. You can use strawberry. I have this like mixed berries, so I'm using this. Otherwise, if you have strawberries only, you can use that. And then I'll be adding a banana. I'm using the ripe banana. The more brown spots the better because it makes the smoothie bowl naturally sweet. And lastly, I'll be adding a peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of it. To blend everything together, I'm using oat milk, but you can use any milk of your choice. So I'm just gonna add a splash of milk, and as you can see, I have only added splash of milk, and that's the secret of creamy smoothie bowl. So yeah, let's blend it and I'll show you the next steps. And in between, as I use only splash of milk, I do have to mix it sometimes so that it gets blended, because if you add a lot of milk it wouldn't be that creamy. So yeah, just mix a little bit in between of blending and you will have the creamiest smoothie bowl ever. Guys, so this is done, and I topped it off with a little bit of this granola. I have this one from Purely Elizabeth, and it's their chocolate hazelnut one. This is so good. And I also added a little bit of hemp hearts. I also added a little bit of goji berries, but you can totally top it off with any toppings of your choice. So yeah.
So after that, I just had my smoothie bowl, did a little bit of emails. Then I wrote my to-do list for the day. So basically I write 3 to 4 most important things to do in a day, and that really makes a huge difference. And it's always better than writing 10 things and doing 2 things and then feeling bad about yourself. So yeah, I highly recommend to write only 3 to 4 things. 3 to 4 most important things actually. And then I edited this 10-minute makeup video for whole day, which is already up on my channel. And yeah, that was all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this, and I'll see you guys next time. Till then, bye.